pag-ibig ay isang desisyon. Mawala man ang emosyon, mananatili ang relasyon.
Jedy, tagal kong hinintay ang araw na ito. Mula nang nagkakilala tayo, alam ko na agad na ikaw ang ibig kong maging kasama habang buhay.
Did they tell you just how long a time it took for me to get to you?
Hi, Bem! Dumating na ang araw na pinakakahintay natin. So, ang araw na magiging isa tayo at magsasama ng panghabang buhay.
Nobody knows how we go. Going we're alone. It's like we're home. My bones are safe and my heart and rest, knowing it belongs to you, you.
Salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Hindi ako perpekto pero pangako, gagawin ko ang abot ng aking mga kaya para alalayan ka at usugin ka ng pagmamahal.
And now, on this day, as I become your wife, I vow to cherish and love you through everything life. Sorry. Kahit anong mangyari, I promise to be by your side.
My head is reeling and I am running out of air. I need to breathe in.
Ahu! 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 Ahu!
I can't breathe. The chair. Thank you so much.
I'm at the palm of your hands. No, we're unstoppable.
10 years ago, we met in the most unexpected way. Sobrang busy ako as a student noon, no time for a boyfriend, and no time for love. But then, dumating ka, everything changed.
Pangako, hindi ka na muli mag-iisa. Mahal ko, hindi na ako makapaghintay na simulan ang bagong kabanata ng ating buhay. Excited na akong magsimula ng mga negosyo kasama ka. Excited na akong maglakbay sa Japan kasama ka. Excited na rin akong maging ama ng ating 2 anak. At excited na akong mapuyat ng marami pang gabi, kakanood ng Netflix at kakalaro ng video games kasama ka.
Jedediah, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jasper Kim na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Jasper Kim, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jedediah na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Nobody knows how you go. Oh, and we're alone. It's like we're home.
With all my heart, I vow to love you as my partner, my best friend, and my family through every season of life, to be faithful to you in heart and in action. And I promise that together with God, we will build a love that will stand the test of time.
Rest, knowing it belongs to you, you. My world has changed, and it's cradled by the comfort that is you, you, you.
Mahal naman kita, Kim, and I am ready to cherish this lifetime and every moment with you. I love you.
Mahal na mahal kita, Jedy. Masaya ako na ako ang napili mo makasama habang buhay.
sila manatiling tapat sa kanilang pangako sa harapan ng Diyos sa banal na sakramento ng matrimonyo.
You